Ever wondered what seeds you can grow at home in just 30 days? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to introduce you to the wonderful world of fast-growing plants. If you're short on time but still want to indulge your green thumb, this is just the thing for you. We'll be covering 10 amazing seeds that you can grow at home, and in just a blink of an eye, you'll have a lush, vibrant selection of plants. From the peppery bite of radishes, to the crisp freshness of lettuce, the nutrient-packed punch of spinach, to the zesty kick of green onions, and the rich variety of microgreens, to the aromatic delight of herbs like basil and cilantro. This list has something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of fast-growing plants. First on our list, radishes, a vibrant and exciting addition to any garden. Radishes are a fantastic choice for those who crave quick results in their gardening endeavors. These crunchy, colorful root vegetables are known for their speedy growth, germinating in as little as 3 to 7 days. In just 3 to 4 weeks, you'll be able to harvest your first radishes, making them an ideal choice for the impatient gardener. Not only are radishes fast growers, but they also come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, from the classic round red cherry bell to the elongated white daikon. Each variety brings its own unique flavor profile, adding a burst of peppery freshness to your salads, soups, or even as a snack on their own. So if you're into quick results and a dash of variety, radishes are your go-to option. They'll add a pop of color to your garden and a crunch to your plate in no time. Moving on to lettuce, a staple in every kitchen. This leafy green is a marvel of rapid growth, often ready to start harvesting in as little as 4 weeks from planting. Its versatility is another reason why it's a favorite among gardeners. You can grow various types of lettuce to add a mix of colors, textures, and flavors to your meals. From crisp romaine to tender butterhead, the variety is simply delightful. And when it comes to harvesting lettuce, it's all about encouraging continuous growth. Here's a tip. Instead of pulling the whole plant out of the ground, harvest the outer leaves. This way, the plant continues to grow and produce new leaves, ensuring you have a steady supply of fresh lettuce. So, whether you're whipping up a Caesar salad or adding some crunch to your burgers, with lettuce, your options are limitless. Remember, with lettuce, you'll never run out of fresh salads. Next up, the nutrient-packed spinach. This versatile leafy green is a must-have in any beginner's garden. Not only is spinach a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, but it's also rich in iron and calcium. So what's the secret to growing spinach? Well, it loves cool weather and does exceptionally well in containers or raised beds. You'll want to sow your seeds about 1/2 inch deep, spaced 2 to 3 inches apart. And here's the best part. Spinach is a speedy grower. In just about a month, you'll have a luscious supply of spinach leaves ready for the picking. Now, let's talk about uses. From hearty salads and comforting soups to green smoothies and savory sautés, there's no end to what you can whip up with your homegrown spinach. So go ahead, give spinach a shot. With spinach, a healthy green smoothie is just a month away. Adding a flavor punch to our list, we have green onions. Known for their versatility, green onions, or scallions as they're also known, are a fantastic choice for the budding gardener. They're not just easy to cultivate, but they're also quick to grow. Plant the onion sets or even the regrown scraps from store-bought green onions and you're good to go. Within a few weeks, you'll see them shooting up, ready to be harvested. But the magic of green onions doesn't just lie in their easy growth process. It's in their culinary uses where they truly shine. Whether it's a dash of flavor in your morning scrambled eggs, a zing in your lunchtime salad, or a fresh garnish on your dinner, green onions always deliver. They're a simple yet effective way to elevate your dishes, adding a touch of gourmet to your everyday meals. With green onions in your garden, every meal can have a fresh garnish. Looking for something even quicker? Microgreens are your answer. These pint-sized powerhouses are harvested when they're just a few inches tall, yet they pack a powerful nutritional punch. And the best part? They're incredibly swift growers. From seed to harvest, you're looking at just 1 to 3 weeks. There's a veritable smorgasbord of microgreens to choose from. You might opt for broccoli microgreens with their slightly bitter taste, or perhaps the peppery punch of radish microgreens. And then there's sunflower microgreens, whose nutty flavor and crunchy texture make them a favorite amongst many. But microgreens aren't just quick and nutritious, they're also versatile. Toss them into your salads for a flavor boost. Use them as a garnish to jazz up your meals, or even blend them into your smoothies for an extra dose of health. For a quick and nutritious addition to your meals, nothing beats microgreens. Venturing into the aromatic world of herbs, we have basil and cilantro. These two herbs are not only incredibly flavorful, but also quick to grow, making them perfect for those eager to see results in their home garden. Basil, a staple in many Mediterranean dishes, is a sun-loving herb that sprouts quickly and continues to provide fresh leaves throughout the growing season. To grow basil, simply sow the seeds in well-drained soil and ensure they receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. This herb is not just for your pasta sauce or pizza, but also plays a starring role in fresh salads and flavorful pesto. On the other hand, cilantro, also known as coriander, is a versatile herb cherished in many global cuisines. From the fresh leaves used in Mexican salsa and Indian chutneys to the seeds ground into spice for Middle Eastern and Asian dishes, every part of the cilantro plant offers a unique flavor. To grow cilantro, sow the seeds directly into the soil and keep it well watered. This cool weather herb prefers partial shade, so consider placing it in an area that doesn't get full-day sun. Interestingly, both basil and cilantro offer numerous health benefits. Basil contains natural compounds that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Cilantro, apart from being rich in antioxidants, is also known to aid digestion and help lower blood sugar levels. Growing these herbs at home ensures you have a fresh supply on hand whenever you need them. The joy of plucking a few leaves right from the plant for your cooking not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also adds a sense of accomplishment. Plus, their vibrant green leaves and distinct aromas can bring life and freshness to your kitchen or balcony garden. With these herbs in your garden, you're just a step away from a flavorful homemade meal. So, there you have it. The top 10 seeds that you can grow at home in just 30 days. We've journeyed through the world of fast-growing radishes, versatile lettuce, nutrient-packed spinach, and flavorful green onions. Not to forget the tiny yet mighty microgreens that can be harvested in a blink of an eye. And of course, the aromatic herbs like basil and cilantro that can transform any dish into a culinary delight. Each of these seeds offers not just a quick harvest, but also a unique learning experience for beginners. They teach patience, care, and the joy of reaping what you sow. So don't wait. Get your hands dirty, plant these seeds, and watch your garden come to life. Remember, a green thumb is just a seed away. Happy gardening!